I lied. I didn't wire it.
What?
Ba-dum-bum, zing.
You think that's funny? What?
Not compared to that.
What is that?
Oh, yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Not a bumblebee, is it?
No. Ray, what do I do?
Well, if you don't shut it off...
She'll know somebody was in here.
So you could wait for the batteries to die.
Okay, yeah,
But it sounds like there's about 4 big-ass D cells in there.
Oh, my God.
Like a jackhammer.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Is it black?
What? No, it's,
Slightly darker black?
No, it's not any kind of black.
Racist.
Shut up. It's more of a... aubergine?
Oh.
I guess you call that?
Still pretty hot.
Will you shut up?
Take a picture.
Shut up! All right, I'm going in. Oh, man, I can't believe I'm doing this.
Try to think about something else. Like how there's no sink in there.
So what if there's no... Oh, my God!
Yeah.
There's no sink! Oh, there's not enough liquor and therapy in the world to undo that.